To work with certain open source LLMs from Hugging Face, you'll need an authentication token. Certain models require authentication, like for example Llama and the new Gemma, but not all of them do, so you'll only need this token for the models that require authentication. You go to huggingface.co and create an account. Once your account is up, go to the user area, click on access tokens, click create new token, name your token. I'm just going to use it to download models, so all I need to do under repositories is read, and write. Scroll down and hit create token. Copy your token now because you're not going to be able to see it later. Store it in a safe place and click done. Some AI models require you to sign up for access, for example Llama 3.2 or the new Gemma 3 models. So you have to go over here and click expand to view, scroll down, act like you're agreeing to all this stuff, and then fill out your information and click submit. Once you're granted access, then you can use your token to download this model. An example of how to use your token, like here in the Linux command line, is to use pip to install the Hugging Face Hub CLI with this command. Once you've done that, run this command and add your token to the end of it so that the environment knows your token. And there it is. I'm going to delete this token when I'm finished, so don't even think about it. Now you're ready to start with whatever project or code or program you downloaded. If you found some value in this video, please click the like button. If you want to see me do more open source AI Linux tutorials and also test and curate LLMs, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to be notified when I make a new video, you can hit the notification bell. Take care of yourself. I hope to see you in the next video and have a good one.